Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Natasha. Welcome to Natasha Styles, and if you have just subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber and you have been with me from day one, thank you so much for the love and support that you have been showing me and for tuning in each week and watching my video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Coach unboxing. This is one of the presents I also got for my birthday, and I thought I'd do an unboxing and show you what I got because I did do a Coach unboxing previously. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go ahead and watch it. Also, make sure you give this video a like, and the red subscribe button, make sure you click it, and when you do, also hit the notification bell and change the notification bell. When you do click it, change it to all, so whenever I post a video you won't miss anything. And you know what, without further ado, let's just get into today's video right now. And what I'm wearing, I am wearing my accessories, my earrings. These are from Coach. I really love that they're like 2 earrings in one. And my necklace, this is from Ana Luisa. These were gifted, this was gifted to me from Ana Luisa, and you probably see me wear them a lot in the videos because I just love how simple they are. They just make an outfit just pop. My bodysuit, this is from Zara, the trousers from Zara, and the belt is from Ralph Lauren. And yeah, this is my outfit, and let's get into the video and see what this Coach bag is. I love my Coach pillow tabby bag. I wear it a lot. Love the orange color, love the gold accessories, the gold hardware. This bag always brighten up my day whenever I pop it on. And I think sometimes people sleep on Coach. They always go for like the other designer bags, but Coach bags are just as wonderful as any designer bags, I think, because and they aren't as expensive as the other bags, and their bags are really good. I did get my Coach pillow tabby bag last year, and I still have the puffiness, and the color, it's not going anywhere. And I absolutely love this bag. I love the color, and I really enjoy wearing it with my outfit. And now let's get into the unboxing aspect of it, and let's see what this lovely bag from Coach is. As you can see, the lady in the shop, she did wrap it up for me, and I was like, please don't. And she was like, but it's your birthday, you should have it wrapped. So I was like, okay, thank you. So it has a sticker as well, so you can't even peep to see what it is. So I haven't opened it at all. And this is it wrapped. I'm just gonna rip it apart because I might do an unboxing on Instagram, I'm not sure yet. I've ruined that. So the name of the bag is the Coach Mini Lily Carry All, and this is the mini version. You can get in a larger one, but I didn't want a big bag, so I'm just going to open it up and show you how it looks. And this is a Mini Lily Carry All. And with this bag, you can get it in the black, you can get it in the midnight blue, and you can also get like in the mustard color. And I really wanted a mustard color just because I like bright bags, because sometimes when you have on like simple outfit, the bag just makes the outfit come together. And I wanted the yellow, but I decided to choose the blue just because I have the orange bag, and the leather is a little bit harder than the Coach pillow tabby bag. As you can see, the color is this gorgeous, I would say baby blue, and also it has blue, and it looks like brown, like a dark, really dark brown, just lining it. And the accessories is silver, but it doesn't take anything away from the bag, and it has like the Coach logo on it. So I think that this bag, I am gonna get a lot of wear out of it, and yeah, I'm quite pleased like with the color of the bag. I think over time, as you wear this bag, the leather would become a little bit softer, but I love the size of it. It's not too big. I think it's a perfect size for me. So it has 3 different compartments. It has first bit, the second, just like the middle, like the main aspect of the bag, and it also has the third bit. And at the back of it, if you just want to like put stuff in here as well, you can do that. So it does have a lot of compartment for a tiny bag. And on either side there's a clasp, so whenever you open the bag, it just goes back, and it just, the back stick, and you can see that it has like the Coach logo on it. This is the straps and it's adjustable, so I might wear the crossbody. I might try it on and show you how it looks. But I love the color and I can't wait to wear this. So this is also my new baby, and even though it's got silver accessories on top of the bag or silver hardware, it's okay, it would still work. Normally I prefer gold, but I'm not fussed about it. And I think that the size of this bag is definitely what caught my eye. It's mini and it's not too big, it's not too bulky. It's probably going to be like the perfect summer bag for me. So with the price of this bag, I got this from Coach outlet. Price was 200 and something pounds. I think it was 229 pounds, and after discount I end up getting it for 140 pounds. So that is what you call a bargain, because of the bag itself. And you know that this bag, as you can look at it, you can see that it's well built, it's well made, and I really love that about it. And I'm just gonna compare the Coach mini with the Coach shabby bag. As you can see, the Coach shabby is much bigger, but I love both of them. And if you're looking for your first designer bag, I would say start with Coach, just because I just feel like if their bag is well made and they always look fantastic with your outfits. Normally this is how I would wear it, so I'm gonna try it on as a crossbody and see if it's gonna be bulky. As you can see, I've tucked the straps in and it's not bulky at all, so I will be wearing it this crossbody as well, just because I think that the size is, it feels like the perfect bag. And yeah, love the fit of it and the color, especially like with white, it's really popping. And this is the bag this way, but I don't think I would ever wear it that way. I would probably just wear it as a crossbody and a top handle bag. So on the inside of the bag, I'm going to show you all the things that you can fit in there. So in the first aspect of it, just at the front bit of the bag, I have my iPhone 13, and this is it. With this, it still has room in the front, so if you want to fit other bits and bobs inside of it, you can. The bag, even though it looks small, it can fit a lot of items. So this is an iPhone 13. I'm just going to put it back in the front of the bag, and look, it's still got room inside of it. Now I'm going to go to the middle part of the bag, and with this I just have like a Chanel little bag that I get like samples with, and I have my hand sanitizer, my lip gloss. I have 2 lip gloss. I normally have like this dark shade if I'm wearing lip gloss, and I have like the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Love this is what I'm wearing on my lips. And I have my Bottega Veneta. I have my sunglasses. I got this from Bicester Village. I'm going Bicester again in a couple weeks, so another video. Make sure you stay tuned for another video. But the bag, like I mentioned, it's a very big bag on the inside. So I'm just going to put the sunglasses and the samples back in so you could see. And this is the inside of the bag. At the back of it, you can fit a Chanel number 5. This is the, I think it's a 30 mil. Can't remember what size it was, but you can fit a Chanel perfume in the back. I just have my Vaseline, because you know we need to protect those lips, and I have my Chanel hand cream. And I haven't put anything in the back of the bag, so there's still room if you want to put a book or something in it. So that's how big the bag is itself. The bag can hold a lot, even though it looks small. Even though you have all these items inside the bag is no way heavy. It doesn't feel heavy. Very sturdy, and I love the leather. It doesn't smell anything, it just feels amazing. It feels quite firm, and this bag is going to be a bag that you will have. And I'm quite pleased with this Coach Mini Lily Carry-All. If you're looking for a first designer bag, I'm going to say probably pick this, because it's not too expensive. You can test it out and see if you like it, if you like the fit and the feel of it, if this will work with your outfit. If you doesn't like the blue, you can also get in the black, the blue, the yellow. But because I had the orange, I just feel like if the light blue is more of something that I would wear, especially for summer. And and I know if I'm going out, this is a bag that I'm going to definitely be gravitating towards because it just looks, the color is just perfect, especially for summer, and you can also wear it any season.